Oh, hi. Thanks for coming. I hope you don't mind helping in the kitchen.
Not at all. Actually, it's my first time cooking with someone I just met.
Same here. Can you hand me that chopping board, please?
Sure. Do you want me to chop these vegetables?
Yes, please. Just small pieces.
Okay, I'll try my best. By the way, do you cook often?
Sometimes, but I'm not an expert. What about you?
Honestly, I usually make only tea and noodles.
Then today you'll learn something new.
I'm ready. Just don't laugh if my chopping looks funny.
Don't worry, I won't. Everyone starts somewhere.
That's kind of you. Cooking together feels less formal than just sitting and talking.
Yes, it makes the first meeting more comfortable and tasty.
True. At least if the food turns out good, we can call it a successful first meeting.
And if not, we can still order pizza.
Pizza as a backup plan sounds perfect. So, what are we making today?
It's a simple curry, nothing too complicated.
I'm good. Complicated recipes might scare me away.
Don't worry, I'll guide you step by step.
All right, chef. What's next after chopping?
Heat some oil in the pan. Do you want to try?
Sure, but if I burn it, you're responsible.
Deal, I'll take the blame.
Okay, all is hot. Should I add the onions?
Yes, carefully. Don't drop them too fast.
Wow, it's sizzling.
That's the sound of good cooking.
You know, I didn't expect our first meeting to be in a kitchen.
Me neither. But it feels nice. It's more real than just talking at a cough.
True, cooking kind of breaks the ice.
Exactly. And by the end, we'll not only know each other better, but also share a meal.
That's a pretty good start, I'd say.
So, do you usually invite people into the kitchen on their first meeting?
No, not really. You're the first one.
Oh, then I feel special already.
Don't get too excited. You're here because I needed help.
Still counts as special to me.
All right, stir the onions until they turn golden.
Got it. But you'll have to watch me closely.
Don't worry, I'm supervising. You're doing well so far.
Thanks. I'll take that as a compliment.
Now add the tomatoes. Careful, it might splash.
Steps back quickly. Whoa, dangerous job.
Cooking is an adventure.
I can see that. Next time, maybe I should bring safety goggles.
Then you'll look like a scientist instead of a chef.
A food scientist? That doesn't sound too bad.
You're funny. I didn't expect to laugh this much while cooking.
And I didn't expect to enjoy chopping vegetables. First meetings can surprise us, I guess.
Yes, especially this one. So, how do I know if the tomatoes are cooked enough?
They should be soft and blend with the onions. Let me check.
Go ahead, chef.
Perfect. Now we add the spices. Do you want to do it?
Sure, but you'll have to tell me which one is which.
This is turmeric, this is chili powder, and this is salt.
Okay, turmeric first. Just a pinch, right?
Yes. Careful, not too much.
Oops.
Well, I guess our curry will be extra healthy today.
Or extra yellow.
Don't worry, it'll still taste fine. Now add the chili powder.
Are you sure? I don't want to burn my mouth.
A little spice makes food exciting.
Just like conversation, a little spice makes it interesting.
Nice comparison.
Okay, done. What's next?
Add some water and let it simmer. Then we'll wait.
Great. Waiting means talking, right?
Exactly. Cooking is half work, half conversation.
Then I think I like this kind of cooking.
Looks like the curry is ready.
Really, that was faster than I thought.
Cooking with two people is always quicker.
And more fun. Should I set the table?
Yes, please. Plates are in the cabinet.
Done. I feel like I actually contributed.
You did. Without you, I'd still be chopping onions.
Glad to know I saved you some tears.
Okay, moment of truth. Taste it.
Wow, this is really good.
Really? Or are you just being polite?
No, I mean it. It's delicious. I think we make a good team.
I agree. Not bad for a first meeting.
Not bad at all. In fact, I can't remember the last time a first meeting felt this comfortable.
Same here. Sharing food makes it more natural.
Then maybe this shouldn't be the last time we cook together.
We'll see. But I wouldn't mind.
I can't believe I helped make this. It actually tastes like restaurant food.
That's because I fixed your extra turmeric mistake.
True, you saved the dish and my reputation.
Don't worry. For a beginner, you did really well.
Thanks you for helping today. It was nice having company in the kitchen.
The pleasure was mine. Honestly, I didn't expect cooking to be this much fun.
Maybe that's because you weren't alone.
True. Cooking together made it feel special.
I hope this isn't our last cooking adventure.
We'll see. But I wouldn't mind another one.
Great. Until then, thanks for today. It was memorable.
Same here. Take care and safe journey back.